Sige lang kahit face to face pa. Oo, pati yun naman yun eh.
See you, Jay.
Sir Sid, good evening. Hi. Just wanna talk with you for a while. I'm Hendrix AA.
Hey, Hendrix, that's cool.
You are one of my most admirable actor. I really admire you. Sir, would you like to share your what's your role here in
I play one of the heads of one of the divisions of the narcotics group in the movie. And he is in charge of hunting down the rats and making sure that the operation stays sound.
But there's a twist on your role.
We'll see.
Yeah. So you mean to say you're the head? It means to say you're the good guy.
I'm a police officer.
Police officer. And then, could this be your best role ever or not?
I would say this is the biggest action film I've ever done. I wouldn't say it's my best role. I wouldn't know what my best role was.
Yeah.
That's
What was before this one? What was your last movie?
Outside. Outside.
I see.
The one on Netflix, yes. The zombie film. Yeah.
So please invite our viewers.
Guys, Topak, biggest action film of the decade. I promise you, it's finally home. After 2 years. Tagal namin inupuan ito para sa inyo. You get to watch it now.
What more can they expect from your character?
Oh no, you're gonna have to watch it.
So no spoiler alert.
Hello.
Yeah, that's right. Sir Sid, thank you very much for your time and effort.
My pleasure.
Good luck.
Good luck. Bye guys.
Thank you.